Seeing the persimmons hanging red on the tree, I can feel that autumn has truly arrived. Today I've come to Buso Damak, along the waters of the Gumgang River in Okeon. Buso Damak means rocks and mountains floating on clear water. When the Daichong Dam was built in 1980, the rising water submerged the hillsides, leaving only rocky peaks above the surface, creating today's unique scenery. This mysterious sight, as if small islands float upon the river, offers a new wonder of nature. On the hill facing Buso Damak stand two charming Jiangzheng totems, and beside them rests a pavilion called Chusojong. From its vantage point, one can take in the sweeping view of the Gumgang's curves and the cliffs that embrace it. A small tour boat slowly circles Buso Damak, its presence seeping into the scenery like a picturesque painting. Sunlight sparkles on the clear water, and the cliffs surrounding like a folding screen quietly embrace visitors' hearts. Buso Damak reveals a different face in every season: fresh green in spring, blue waves in summer, red foliage in autumn, and serene snowy landscapes in winter. It is not a grand or majestic landscape, but a place for gentle walks and quiet nature, where simply staying for a while lightens the heart.